Hi everyone and welcome to 2025. So for this video I'm going to sing for you a song that I've done for Music Broadway for Music Festival, and I did this shorter version, but for you I'm going to do the longer version, and it's Reflections by Christina Aguilera. So please enjoy everyone. Look at me, you may think you see who I really am, but you'll never know me. Every day is as if I play a part. Now I see, if I wear a mask I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in a world where I have to hide my heart and what I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and be loved for who I am. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? There's a heart that must be free to fly, that burns with the need to know the reason why. Why must we all conceal what we think, how we feel? Must there be a secret me I'm forced to hide? I won't pretend that I'm someone else for all time. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside? As always, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and follow along for more content. Okay, bye everyone.